design structure governs the identity of national currency. But how exactly does this visual order transform into economic trust?
Invisible complexity defines the trust we place in a currency's authenticity. It is this microscopic precision that supports the entire national financial system.
The hidden language within this currency design protects the economic system. But how is trust truly encoded in these unseen details?
Multiple layers of precision engineering converge to create a single unit of monetary trust. But how does complexity become confidence in currency systems? Optical variability strengthens authenticity, but how light interacts with perception fundamentally influences our trust in these systems of value.
This physical storage represents the final layer of trust. Yet, we must ask how value is truly preserved through institutional containment alone.
The synchronized monitoring cycles ensure precision, but the reliance on these digital systems fundamentally controls economic trust.
Controlled movement transforms stored value into circulating economic energy. But this raises a crucial question. How do these logistics enable trust in the financial system itself? The structured distribution of currency connects the institutional system to everyday economic life. But how exactly does this physical money enter circulation? From the moment the Curaçao F250 banknotes leave the central vault, their journey is meticulously tracked. It is this unbroken chain of custody that underpins public trust. This highly engineered system represents the convergence of currency production and public access. But how does trust truly travel from the factory floor to the street?
Physical currency must endure repeated use, preserving trust and authenticity. But how does this durability truly contribute to economic confidence?
The journey of trust begins here, in the flawless mechanics of the currency system. bridging the gap between factory precision and public access. From raw cotton fiber to circulating currency, how exactly do trust, value, and national confidence become embedded within this engineered paper? Trust in currency begins here, with material science. Because ultimately, the invisible structures we analyze support all visible economic confidence.
As we analyze the note under infrared and ultraviolet light, we see how trust in currency depends on elements hidden from ordinary observation.
The goal is to determine how durability contributes to economic reliability, ensuring the physical resilience needed for trust in the currency.
Beyond their economic function, these banknotes record institutional memory. They make us question how accurately financial history is truly preserved.
The substrate integration looks consistent across the run, and tensile strength just passed certification. We're cleared for the next phase.
Acknowledged. Uploading the data now.